Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for real product reviews and smart buying tips. Today, we're diving into the best car window shade for baby UV protection, camping comfort, and total car privacy. The ZATOOTO Suede Car Window Shades, 4 PCS set. When you first open the package, you get 4 suede blackout window covers that instantly feel premium. The material isn't your average thin polyester. ZATOOTO went with a plush, high-quality suede that's smooth to the touch and has a soft, luxurious finish. This isn't just for show. Suede actually blocks light more effectively and insulates better than cheaper nylon alternatives. Let's talk performance. These window shades block up to 99% of UV rays and sunlight. That's a huge deal for babies, pets, and even you if you're spending time inside the car during hot days. Whether you're breastfeeding, napping, changing clothes, or just trying to avoid the blinding sun, these shades deliver a dramatic difference in interior comfort. You'll immediately notice how much cooler your car stays, even in direct sun. That suede doesn't just darken the window, it actively helps regulate temperature inside, which is especially helpful for longer travel days or when car camping overnight. One of the best features is how effortlessly they install. Each front window cover has 12 magnets, and each rear cover has 14. No suction cups, no weird hooks. Just click the magnets onto the window frame and you're done. The installation takes seconds. Just make sure your car windows have metal frames, as some vehicles with aluminum or plastic linings may not support magnetic attachments. The universal fit is a major plus too. The front shade has a trapezoid shape with a height of 31.5 inches and a bottom base of 19.69 inches, while the rear shades are rectangular at 31.5 by 19.69 inches. Just measure your car windows before you buy. A quick check with a tape measure will do the trick. These shades are more than just practical, they're freedom-enhancing. They're ideal for families, solo travelers, van lifers, or anyone who wants privacy on the road. Whether you're breastfeeding, catching a nap, or camping in your car, these turn your vehicle into a private, shaded space. The stitching is reinforced, the fabric doesn't warp or fray with time, and the magnetic edges hold firmly without slipping or sagging. You'll feel confident using these daily, rain or shine. When you're done, fold them up and stash them in the trunk or behind the seat. They're compact and light, making them super travel-friendly. So if you're looking for a smart way to keep your car cool, private, and UV safe, especially for baby comfort or camping trips, the suede car window shades are hands down a top pick. Simple, stylish, and built to last. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit like if this review helped you out, and subscribe for more real-world product breakdowns every week. See you in the next one.